drivers ready. We're racing on the tone. Bam! And we are out. This is the fast of the fast. Danny starts off with a good hole shot. Oh, Joseph steps on the inside. Oh man, 3 cars, 1 tile. Something is bound to go wrong. All right, Danny with the unforced error. Joseph with the unforced error. Oh man, there was a Saruda plus something right there. Down to the 1 spot. All right, this is looking ugly. All right, guys, we got the mini, the 1. It's going to be hard to catch unless he puts down a wobble. All right, Tad, if you win this race, Tad, I would just retire. Mini lead the race. He only has 6 cylinders and they're flat. Ray right now saying Ray fitting Arthur for the green jacket. I mean, Ray fitting Joseph for the green jacket. And as I say that, Tao does a Saruda plus 2 or Saruda times 2 right there. Arthur now 8-6 moves to the 1. All right, Ray right now feeling very confident. Arthur asks or saying the only question is, will he lap the field right there? What will the competition answer with? Are they going to get angry or will they not? Joseph, Special K, dropped the deuce right there. 8 deuce, 1.7 Joseph, 1.7. Danny, don't count him out. 8 deuce also. All right, 1.7 again. 2.5 remaining drivers. Blue car's first place, guys. Pink car second place. So blue car and the pink car, 1.6. Joseph makes up a 10th right there. We're still 2 minutes to go. Dean crashes in front of Arthur there. Did not work. Did not work. All right, 1.3. Joseph, 2 more tenths. All right, Ray calling it again. Oh, 1.2. Joseph gets a lucky traction roll, but probably going to lose 4 tenths, my guess. 1.7 loses 5 tenths. That was close. All right, drivers. Blue car's your 1, guys. Blue car first place, pink car second place. 1.5 is the gap. Joseph drops the deuce again. Not sure what Joseph had for breakfast. All right, 1.3, 1.3. All right, Ray is guessing 1 second could be the gap now. 1.2. All right, guys, you're following the race action, guys. Blue car is first place, guys. Pink car right behind him, second place. Your gap is 9 tenths. 9 tenths right there. Dean steps aside. Good racing etiquette. Coming around again. 5 tenths is the gap, guys. Blue car and the pink car. First and second with 60 seconds on the clock, guys. 60 seconds. Modified Mix. 4 tenths down the gap. All right, patience, Joseph, patience. But also remember what he did to you qualifying. All right. Blue car, pink car, guys. The blue car, the pink car. That's first and second. 45 seconds remaining. All right, Joseph, 2 tenths right there. 2 tenths out. Fast lap is virtually this. Oh, Joseph, small mistake. Right there, still within 3 tenths. 30 seconds, Joseph. That's 4 laps. Oh, nice line. Oh, tries to go for the pass. Does not make it happen. 20 seconds. He tries again, and he makes it stick. All right. 15 seconds, Joseph. Arthur now in chase mode. Can he do it? All right, Arthur right now saying, I don't think so. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. When you cross, this will be last lap, guys. You have to cross. This is last lap. They both made it across the timeline. Joseph, you're trying not to step into Choke City. And he does it. Good race. Dropping the 8.17 at the end. Good race.